Now, what I want to talk about today is illness identity. And please take no offense to this if you are in this current situation right now. And I see this online a lot. And it might not be you, but you might know of someone who is. And this is where the person who is in the illness identity is so consumed by their experience that it has become them. That's who they know themselves to be. And crazily enough, and some people won't believe this, but that actually becomes comfortable for them. Now, I'm not saying this is for everyone, but I'm saying this is definitely a subgroup out there where people, they're so identified on their illness that they're holding on to it as a protection mechanism from fear, from change, from uncomfortability, basically. And, this is what can keep you stuck. Even if you're just believing, this is just the way I am. I'm a sick person. I've got a chronic illness and it doesn't change. When we get into this idea of this identity, we can get stuck there. And it's funny because whenever we post a really great success story, or we'll post an interview or anything that's positive or towards helping someone get better, there's usually one or two people who will attack that post. They'll say, "How dare you? You don't know what you're talking about. I've been sick for 25 years. I've been sick. You can't get better. There's nothing you can do. I've tried everything." And this person is stuck in illness identity, right? Anything that's opposed to the identity actually keeps them stuck and infuriates them because it's questioning their own identity. Now, that's a whole nother conversation, but I want to talk about success identity too, and this is what we teach our clients as well. What does a successful identity look like for you? What would it look like if you didn't identify yourself as being sick and you started to focus on getting healthy? You started to focus on your health, despite or regardless of where you're at in your journey. You could be a 1 out of 10, but still lay there seeing that you're becoming a healthy person versus laying there and seeing that you're a sick person. I'll give you a fantastic life example. So for me, typically from my past, I'm not an organized person. Pretty messy. If you ask a lot of people, they'll go, "Geez, Toby was messy. God, he was, unorganized, always late, all that kind of thing, forgetful." And then I realized about 3 years ago that if I want to take CFS Health's mission and really go beyond our vision and go, above and beyond where we want to go, I need to be organized. I need to be a better leader. A better leader is an organized person. Now, what happened was so pivotal. I remember being out at a cafe and I was having a conversation with someone about organization and time and planning. And I said, I'm just such an unorganized person. I'm just not an organized person. And I was like, whoa. And I caught myself. And this is what I'm trying to share with you right now. You got to catch yourself. There's certain patterns here that are keeping you stuck. And I caught myself in the pattern of identifying myself as an unorganized person. I said, actually, sorry, I take that back. I'm becoming a more organized person.